Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Infiniti Q50 with a dead key fob. Don't worry if your key fob battery is completely drained. Your car has a clever backup system. This method allows you to get your vehicle running even without a working remote signal. It's a simple process that involves using the key fob's internal chip to communicate directly with the ignition. Let's walk through the steps to get you back on the road quickly and easily. First, ensure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Next, take your Infiniti key fob and hold it directly against the push start button on your dashboard. You should hear a distinct chime, indicating that your vehicle has recognized the key fob's internal signal. This direct contact allows the car to bypass the need for a strong battery signal, using proximity instead. It's a clever design for unexpected situations. Once you hear that chime, you have about 10 seconds to press the start button while still holding the brake pedal. Your Infiniti Q50 should then start right up. If you can't even get into your car, remember your key fob contains a hidden mechanical key. Slide the release latch on the back to access it, then use it to manually unlock the driver's side door. For a permanent fix, replace the key fob battery with a new CR2032 cell. To avoid future inconvenience, it's wise to keep a spare CR2032 battery on hand for your key fob. These small, inexpensive batteries are easy to replace and can save you a lot of hassle. Regularly checking and replacing your key fob battery, perhaps once a year, is a great preventative measure. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Don't let a dead fob or a stale scent ruin your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.